Good morning, everybody. It is your baby boomer, Kitty Lane, from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate. I'm looking down here at my notes upon notes, over top of notes, underneath notes, about the notes that noted the notables. So, I have made the decision that I am going to batch record. I do know that everything seems to be leaning towards being back on board with my insurance and my health situation. So there may be a time that I'm out. So I'm getting as many videos recorded as I can, and going to get them scheduled to come out to you on time. So I am now recording our video star. I think it's video star number 4, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, we had Michelle. We had Lori Stories. We had Crochet. Is that all we had, guys? Crochet HD. I think she was the last one. Let me see, playlist. Here we are. We're going to figure it out. 2025. Nope, we've had 4. Yeah. We've had 4. Okay, well, this is video star number 5. I need to write this up here so they'll know. Okay, video star number 5 is like a rock star to me. She's like a celebrity, and she popped up in one of my lives, and I let her know, and she's like, "No, I'm no celebrity." I'll tell you why I say that. She and I have met before. We cannot figure out where. I think I know where I met her. She's not familiar with the highway beside it, but the incident or the occasion with which we met, I really think I met her. I think if I mention the shopping center in that area, she might know. But at any rate, and if you're watching, it's Victory Crossing. I worked at that 7-Eleven because I'd see you, I hear this conversation, but at any rate, this person has been a YouTuber since December 19th, 2023. She is not afraid to be transparent. She's not afraid to try new things. She's not afraid to try new techniques. She teaches stitches. She's an amigurumi designer, and she tackles adversities. She admittedly told us that she's just about blind in her left eye and starting to lose sight in her right. So she did an experiment where she put a bandana over her eyes to see if she could crochet. And then I watched her attempt to patch a hole in the sleeve of a sweater. And this is done on camera. This is not done in secret, in private. It's done so all of us can see her go through this journey. We can go through this journey with her. So I applaud her for that. I do. I think transparency is a beautiful thing, especially in what we do. And especially with what we do. In doing my research, I found a quote that was absolutely beautiful. And it says, "We learn to trust our instincts, embrace the unknown, and find our voice in fiber." And that is quoted directly from this creator. And some of you know her as Marti. But we all know her as Flawly Crochet with Marti. She is absolutely beautiful inside and out. She's welcoming. And when I say absolutely beautiful inside and out, when I say that, guys, I mean in the sense of, don't get it twisted. That means they're cute, they're loving, they're accepting, but if you need to be put in your place, trust and believe, they'll be the first ones to get you there. I love that. You know, they say birds of a feather flock together. I am going to put her link down below. When you, I didn't say if you, I said when you. If you are not already subscribed to Marti, you need to do so. You need to do so. But I am going to put her link down below, and I am also going to put in my post the link to her Stan store and her Amazon wish list. And this is just in case you prolong subscribing, because all of this information you'll be privy to when you subscribe to her. So, Marti, my rock star, my celebrity, love you, gal. We will talk soon. We will. In the meantime, in between time, guys, be bold, be brave, be of love, but behave, because I'm watching you.